Welcome to this video on Gap Advisors channel. Gap Advisors reviews the India's financial statements on a request basis and on suo moto basis. This video discusses an observation on a review of financial statements of a listed company on suo moto basis related to diverse practices followed for components of cash equivalents. If you find this video useful, you may contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given at the top right hand side. Paragraph 6 of Ind AS 7 Statement of Cash Flows defines cash equivalents as follows. Cash equivalents are short-term, highly liquid investments that are readily convertible to known amounts of cash and which are subject to an insignificant risk of changes in value. Therefore, a cash equivalent has the following features. 1. It is short-term. 2. It is highly liquid. 3. It is readily convertible to cash. 4. The amount of cash to which it is convertible is known. And 5. It is subject to insignificant risk of changes in value. Having read the definition of cash equivalents in Ind AS 7, let us understand how a listed company has applied the same. This slide shows the components of cash and cash equivalents disclosed by a listed company in notes to statement of cash flows. The company has regarded investment in liquid mutual funds measured at fair value through profit or loss as cash equivalent. One of the features of cash equivalent is that it is convertible to known amounts of cash. Practices differ with regard to what does the phrase known amounts of cash mean. One interpretation, which is in line with that of IFRIC agenda decision of June 2009, is that the phrase known amounts of cash means that the amount of cash to be received on a redemption must be known at the time of the investment. In case of liquid mutual funds, the amount to be received on a redemption and the timing of redemption is not known at the time of the investment. This interpretation considers existence of each of the features of cash equivalent separately. Therefore, as per this interpretation, movements in liquid mutual funds cannot be disclosed as movements in cash and cash equivalents. Another interpretation is that if the investment is readily convertible to an amount that can be reasonably estimated with likely insignificant changes in the estimated amount, the amount of cash to be received on a redemption is said to be known. This interpretation considers the features of cash equivalent together to establish an investment as cash equivalent. The company seems to have disclosed investment in liquid mutual funds based on this interpretation. In another video, we will discuss the presentation of an investment considered as cash equivalent in balance sheet. Please specify which interpretation do you think is proper in comments. Whether the first interpretation, that the amount of cash to be received must be known at the time of the investment, or the second interpretation, that if the investment is readily convertible to an amount that can be reasonably estimated with likely insignificant changes in the estimated amount, the amount of cash to be received on a redemption is said to be known. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by Gap advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.